There are 4 traditional methods for funding your business. The financial crash has changed the very fabric of how small business owners fund their businesses, but a lot holds true about the 4 methods for funding your business. Let's look at what those 4 traditional business funding methods are. Traditional business funding method number 1. Small business loans. Effectively, the small business loan program through the SBA has become so tough to get that while we cannot declare it dead, they are on very limited life support. The SBA business loans have been replaced with a spectrum of business lending products, and the private sector has more than filled the void. Traditional business funding method number 2. Venture capital. Many business owners have the mistaken idea that venture capitalists will be interested in their business or idea. Venture capital typically starts at a $5 million and over. They invest in projects or businesses that can show a proven track record of success. Venture capital investments are seeking a 50 times return on their investment in a 3 to 5 year time span. Venture capitalists tend to work on a referral basis only. They invest in very niche areas, such as new technology, manufacturing, or biotech. Venture capitalists normally want a controlling share of the companies in which they invest. Traditional business funding method number 3. Angel investors. These tend to be private individuals or investors groups who want to invest their money into businesses that have the potential to make at least 10 times returns. They usually take a minority share of the company and leave the control with the business owner. Angel investors typically invest close to home and in business markets that they know very well and have contacts in that can help grow the business. Traditional business funding method number 4. Public or private grants. Yes, everyone is looking for the free handout. The truth is, it simply does not exist for the average business owner. Qualifications for grants are very strict and mostly for goods, services, or research that falls under the public interest domain. They are hard to find, they have a long, very involved application process, and very few are approved. The good news is that when you complete the Business Finance Pre-Qualification Test, you will know which business funding programs are available to you right now and what steps you need to take to pre-qualify for more in the near future.